y'all? It is Chris with penniesofthousands.com. Got to show you another cash out on this site, Inboxdollars. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a long time, you know I do a lot of videos on this site because it's been paying me for a long time. It is easy to make money on here, and I'm going to do another $10 cash out on here. But, of course, I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on, what I'm doing. So if you're new to my channel, you can see, how you can sign up for this site and make money with it. So here's the home page. It's going to kind of show you a lot of different things you could do on here, but I kind of break it down in steps. So you can go over here to offers. So I like to do, I go to 100% free offers. That means every offer that they're giving me, I know I don't have to pay for it. It's just, hey, here it is. You can sign up for it, send your email, just little stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how that works once it finishes loading. So here are the offers that they have. Again, they're 100% free offers. And it's little stuff like this, like which comic character are you? You can kind of take a little quiz with it. You get 25 cents for that. They have higher paying offers like this, but just know if you're going to do something like this, yes, it is legit, but it kind of takes a lot. You want to make sure that you're doing exactly what they ask you to do in the description. So, you're not wasting your time trying to achieve that $66 or, 92 and 5 cents. So I kind of stick to the smaller ones, but, feel free to just go ahead and try the bigger ones if you feel like that's something you can do, because a lot of them are just games and getting to a certain level. But they also have easy ones right here, like, sign up for Domino's email offers. All you're doing is basically submit your email, not even, a minute long to do, and it gives you 5 cents for doing that. There's a lot of the offers that I signed up for like that. Right here, sign up and earn $10 cash back. Just if you don't have Cash App, bam, you can get it right there, and you can get $10 in your PayPal account. Well, actually in your Inboxdollars account. Right here, just playing different games, earn on your existing insurance policies. Right here, it's probably just, you're inputting information and doing stuff like that. So, I mean, these are high paying offers, but just find you something that you feel that you can complete. And you see here, they have pages of, and they have a total of 66 available at the time of this video. I mean, the number always changes. So that's just what the offers, just making money like that. So going back up here, I'll go to surveys and show you how this works. So you see here, these are the surveys, and I kind of like the time on some of these, like 8 minutes, $5. When it has a star next to it, that means you have a high chance of qualifying for it. So this is something I'm definitely going to attempt after I get done with this video. And again, they'll show you what you'll make on the left and the estimated time of doing it. So just find you a survey that you feel is worth your time. That's different for everybody, and then just see if you can complete it. The thing about it is, like, just with surveys, you're not going to complete all of them because you're going to get disqualified for some of them. But when you're getting disqualified, they have something what you call right here the scratch and win bar. And for everyone that you disqualify for, this bar, it continues to go up and up. And once it hits the different money signs, you're able to cash out, or not really cash out, but you're able to get some winnings. So once it gets to this one, you can, do this one if you want to. Sometimes I like to wait till it gets to the third one, but sometimes it could take a long time just going from the second one to the third one. So a lot of times let's go ahead and do it right here. So what you'll do is you'll click on the money sign, you'll go to scratch now, it'll bring up a little picture of a penny, and then you just kind of scratch and see what you win. And let's see what I get for this. Looks like I'm going to get 2 cents for doing this one. And so right there, you get 2 cents. Just click continue, and it goes right into the balance. So you saw at the beginning, I had $10.22. Now I have $10.24. So now my scratch and win bar goes right back to the bottom. And now everything that I do in the site when it comes to surveys, offers, watching videos, emails, playing, all that kind of good stuff, it contributes to this scratch and win bar. All right. So that's the surveys and the offer section. You can get paid to take pictures of your receipt on this. Inboxdollars also has an app that you can download on your phone. It is much easier to take pictures of receipts on your phone than it is the computer, just because you can go in the app, click right on the button, take a picture. It'll take like 5 seconds to process, and bam, you get 2 cents for every receipt that you take a picture of. All right. You can also get paid to search. You can get paid to shop. You get, different cashback options and stuff like this. You can buy different gift cards. Now with the gift cards, I will tell you, like, there are some good things on here. I'll just kind of show you this real quick. So basically what it is with the gift cards, whatever gift card you buy, you can actually get cash back, and they'll put it in your Inboxdollars account. So let me scroll down here and just show you some of the gift cards they have. If it's something that you can use, Right here, I fly a lot. So Southwest is one of my favorite airlines to use. I know if I buy a gift card, I get 3% cash back in my Inbox Dollars account. If I go down here and click on view all gift cards, it'll give you a list of all the gift cards that they have and everything that you can see here, the amount of cash back that you can get. From everything from restaurants to, different stores to, travel things, all that kind of stuff. Just buy the gift card. They put the money instantly into your Inbox Dollars account. So it's just like that. So like say for instance, you want to, I don't know, you want to get this 1-800-baskets.com, right? And you spend $100, they're gonna put $7 instantly into your Inbox Dollars account. That's how it works. So just, for me, I know I do a lot of traveling and, booking hotels, and I go to restaurants every now and then. So I kind of want to just buy gift cards on here. And, and if I know it's something I'm going to use anyway, just getting cash back on it just makes it out like easier. So now I'm going to go back to Inbox Dollars. And now I'm going to show you one more thing. Like this envelope here, you can get paid to watch or not watch, but just basically to open emails. I don't have any available for me right now because I did them this morning, but I've done videos on it before. You've seen that you can basically just click on it. You'll just, you don't have to do anything as far as purchasing anything in the email, but just click on it and you'll get 2 cents for every email that's available for you. That also shows up on the app. So I usually do it from the app, but you can also do it on the computer here. It'll just be a number of, emails you can, click on right here. You just click it, look at it, confirm it, and you get 2 cents for every email that you is available for you. So that's basically how I make my money on here. If you want more of a full tutorial on it, I'll leave a link at the top that you can click on. You can watch more of a full tutorial on it if you want to. But I'm going to cash out. I have $10.24 in my account. I'm just going to cash out $10 because I'm going to do the PayPal option. So once it finishes loading, I can get to that. And you will see here they have lots of different options that you can choose from. PayPal being the one I always go with, but they have Amazon. They got, virtual prepaid MasterCard. They got Walmart. They got, different restaurant stores, all that kind of stuff you can choose from. You can categorize it right here, anything from $5 cash value to, 500. So it's just all you got to do is just, pick a reward that you want. It says it starts at $5 and it does, but that's really only with the American Express. They'll send you a virtual gift card that you can choose, kind of like this one, but it's just, it's an American Express instead of, the MasterCard. But I usually go PayPal because I know PayPal comes fast. So I'll click on this. And now I'll go down here and enter my password. Then I'll click on get rewarded. This wants me to confirm $10 that I'm cashing out. So I'm going to confirm that. And there you have it. Congrats on your redemption. $10 has been deducted from your account. So I had 24 cents left over. So you see how easy it is. It takes them maybe a day or two for it to get to your PayPal account. So I'll just wait on that. But this is definitely a site that's been around a very long time. I would say I've been using it, I would say going on about 10 years now. So definitely legit. I'll leave the link to sign up in the description. It is completely free to use. Get started with it today and also download that app so you have even more money-making opportunities with this website. All right. So link is in the description. Always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.